Imagine walking into a room and effortlessly charming everyone. No awkward silences, no nervous small talk, just natural confidence and engaging conversations. Sounds like a dream, right? In this summary of How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes, I'll share 10 powerful tricks to boost your social skills, make people love talking to you, and own every conversation. 1. The flooding smile. Most people smile too quickly and too often, which can seem insincere. Instead, pause for a moment when you meet someone, look at their face, and then let a slow, warm smile spread. This makes you appear more genuine, confident, and magnetic. 2. The power of sticky eyes. Eye contact is one of the easiest ways to appear charismatic. When talking to someone, don't break eye contact too soon. Holding steady eye contact makes people feel heard and connected to you. 3. The big baby pivot. When someone starts speaking, don't just turn your head, turn your entire body toward them. This shows deep engagement and makes the other person feel truly valued. 4. The "oh wow, that's amazing" reaction. Great conversationalists aren't just great talkers, they're great listeners. When someone shares a story, react with enthusiasm and curiosity. Show them that what they're saying is interesting, and they'll enjoy talking to you even more. 5. The Hansel and Gretel technique. Instead of revealing everything about yourself at once, drop small, intriguing hints throughout the conversation. This sparks curiosity and makes others want to know more about you. 6. Speak in complete sentences. One-word answers kill conversations. If someone asks how your day was, don't just say good. Instead, say, "It was great. I tried something new today." This makes it easier for the other person to continue the conversation. 7. The echo effect. To keep a conversation flowing naturally, repeat the last few words the other person said. If they say, "I just got back from a trip to Japan," respond with, "Japan? That sounds amazing. What was the best part?" This makes them feel heard and encourages them to share more. 8. The parroting technique. A subtle way to build rapport is to repeat keywords or phrases from someone's conversation. If they say, "I love hiking in the mountains," reply with, "Mountains? That's awesome. Where's your favorite spot?" This makes conversations feel more engaging and connected. 9. Never the naked thank you. Instead of just saying "thank you," make it more personal and meaningful. Say, "Thank you. That was incredibly thoughtful of you." This makes people feel genuinely appreciated and strengthens your connection with them. 10. Treat everyone like a VIP. People enjoy being around those who make them feel special. Use their name, ask about their interests, and give them your full attention. When you treat someone like the most important person in the room, they will naturally be drawn to you. Bonus tip: the real secret to social success isn't about talking. It's about making others feel great about themselves. Master that, and people will always want to be around you. Which of these tricks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social skills and confidence-building tips.